If you're having trouble with Namecheap two-factor authentication, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the most common fixes step by step so you can get back into your account quickly and safely. We'll cover how to manage your 2FA settings, what to do if your Authenticator code is not working, how to reconnect after changing phones, and what to do if you've been locked out after too many failed trusted device attempts. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get started. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside, look at the main menu and go to Profile, then Security, then Two-Factor Authentication, and then click Manage. This is where you can review and control your account's 2FA settings. Namecheap supports both TOTP Authenticator apps and U2F or WebAuthn security methods. So depending on how you set up your account, you may be using an app-based code or a hardware or browser-based security key. If your 6-digit Authenticator code is not working, the first thing to check is your phone's date and time. This is one of the most common reasons a TOTP code fails. Open your phone settings and make sure the date and time are set correctly, preferably to automatic network time. If your device clock is even slightly off, the code generated by your Authenticator app may not match what Namecheap expects. After correcting the time, open your Authenticator app again and try entering the current 6-digit code. In many cases, that is enough to fix the issue right away. If you recently changed phones, or if you reinstalled your Authenticator app, you may need to reconnect your account with a new QR code. In Namecheap's 2FA management area, generate or view the newly created QR code, then scan it with your Authenticator app. Once it's added, the app will generate a fresh 6-digit code for your Namecheap account. Enter that new code carefully to confirm the setup. This step is important because codes from your old device will not work on the new one, unless the account was transferred properly. Now, if you are seeing a trusted device code problem and you entered the wrong code 5 times, Namecheap requires you to wait 15 minutes before trying again. This delay is there to protect your account, so if you've reached that limit, don't keep guessing codes. Instead, wait the full 15 minutes, then try again with the correct code from your trusted device or Authenticator method. While you wait, double-check that you're using the right login, the right device, and the right 2FA method for your account. After the waiting period, enter the code again carefully and complete the login. If everything is set correctly, you should be able to access your Namecheap account without any further issues. The main things to remember are to verify your device time, rescan the QR code if you changed phones, and wait out the 15-minute lockout if you've hit too many failed trusted device attempts. These simple steps solve most Namecheap 2FA issues without needing extra troubleshooting. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a like and subscribe for more helpful walkthroughs. And I'll see you in the next video.